TLC lied when they said don't go chasing waterfalls. They obviously ain't been to Costa Rica.
I'm moving to Costa Rica and I'm buying my restaurant.
Lania.
Lania. I wonder what Lania means.
We are in
Otra vez.
We are in Parque Nacional Volcano Tenorio, or Volcano Tenorio National Park.
So we left the Guanacaste province in Costa Rica, which is a little bit more hilly, kind of dry lands. And then as you can probably hear from all the sounds around us, we are now in the rainforest of Costa Rica, which is a little bit, I guess, northeast of where we were staying right off of the Pacific Ocean. So today we're taking a gorgeous hike called the Rio Celeste.
There are a bunch of different theories of why this water is as blue as you're gonna see. Allegedly, it's just an optical illusion. There's no like chemical reaction, there's no combination of the rivers that make this color. But I don't know if I believe that.
I think there's something in the volcanic activity here that's making it that happen.
So it's really up to you to decide on probably what's causing it, but man.
Either way, it's gonna be gorgeous. I'm an animal lover, so is he, so we're really excited to see all different nature and different types of fauna out here and just do our first major hike in Costa Rica.
Yeah.
I'm about to hyperventilate. I'm so excited. It's so freaking gorgeous.
She's taking a picture of everything.
Everything. Actually, my favorite teacher in 2nd and 3rd grade, shout out Miss Judy.
Miss Judy.
Miss Judy. But anyways, she went to Costa Rica one summer between 2nd and 3rd grade and came back telling all of these stories with all of these pictures, talking about all of the wildlife she encountered. And ever since then, little Lene has always wanted to go to Costa Rica and go to the rainforest. And I feel like I'm living out a slight childhood dream of mine right now.
Whoa. Are you seeing this right now? Are you seeing this? Holy bananas. That phrase is now coined TM, registered trademark, vocal trademark. Holy crap. TLC lied when they said don't go chasing waterfalls. They obviously ain't been to Costa Rica.
Shit, guys, are you seeing this right now? Are you seeing this right now?
Are you seeing this?
I don't
right
know if
now?
I can believe I'm seeing this right now. We are West Coast people, born and raised, born in the mountains, raised in the mountains hiking, and I still think this is the most beautiful waterfall I've ever seen.
Hands down.
I guess that's what that looks like.
They said it's an optical illusion. Yo no sé nada. Only one person at a time.
Me first.
You got. Oh wow. Be careful. Sheesh.
driving back from our hike at
Rio Celeste.
Yep, Rio Celeste. I don't know why I had a hard time remembering that.
Parque Nacional
de Volcano
Tortellini.
Torino. I don't know, we'll put in a little asterisk in this video on what it actually is. Gosh, we're terrible. But holy freaking moly, guys. I think, like we said multiple times, that was one hell of a hike. It was gorgeous, but whatever you read online, don't let them convince you this is not a hike.
It's a real mother freaking hike.
And shouts out to our man Alan, who hooked it up with the tours at our villa, because he told us about this place. And he said, be prepared, bring some good shoes, you'll get muddy, there's a decent elevation gain, which is all done by stairs. So our booties are pretty pooped. But if we were to give you any extra tips on how to best prepare for this, like I said, it's muddy. It's gonna be muddy 24/7. It was dry season when we went just now, and we got a decent amount of mud on us. So bring good hiking shoes. But don't be too alarmed. If you're in Costa Rica right now and you find yourself without a good pair of zapatos, they do rent boots there as well.
It's $12 per person to get in, which is about, what is that, 7,500 colones?
Yep, so that much to get in, $1 the park. I recommend getting there early because there will be a line of people and they limit the amount of people that are allowed in the park at a time. So the park opens at 8 a.m. Whatever you read online, it's not 7.
TripAdvisor says 7. It's 8.
It's 8. Also be prepared. If it's a little stinky, don't be alarmed. I'm pretty sure there's some sort of sulfuric action going on with the water, as you'll see with the blue water. I'm personally convinced that there's some sort of activity going on there making that color. K-State will tell you otherwise. But there's no water in Kansas, so what would they know about water? Drones are not allowed.
Oh yeah, drones prohibited.
Drones prohibited.
They say they're not online, but yeah, one of the park people came up to us and they're actually nice about it, but yeah, they could have taken it away.
They could have confiscated it, so better safe than sorry. We wouldn't recommend bringing your drone.
But check out this drone video.